Imagine you're in a room full of people trying to find a hidden treasure. Some are wandering in circles, others are following confusing maps. Then, in walks a calm gentleman with a subtle smile. His name is Warren Buffett. He's not running or looking lost. Do you know why? Because he already has the treasure map. Yes, he knows exactly how to find a path to wealth. And the best part? He's shared this knowledge. Now, let me tell you a secret. 99% of beginner investors don't know about these insights. And that's shocking. Many keep making the same mistakes, wasting time and money, while the answers were right under their noses. In this video, Buffett reveals the millionaire roadmap that 99% of beginner investors are unaware of. What comes next could change your financial life forever. The secret few discover. Imagine you had a magical machine that gives you money every month, even if you decided not to work for a while. Sounds amazing, right? This is what many people call financial freedom. When the money you earn without working, the famous passive income, covers all your expenses. But listen, being financially free isn't just about quitting your job and living it up on a beach. It's about having choices. It's about deciding how you want to live and what you want to do with your time without stressing every month about paying the bills. Financial freedom is like a ladder. You climb it step by step, learning so much along the way. So let's start thinking, how would your life look if you had more control over your money? What would you do if you didn't have to work just to pay the bills? Discover the big revelation ahead, a surprising start. See that ladder over there? No, it's not just any ladder. It's the ladder to financial freedom. Each step you climb brings you closer to the life you've always wanted, where you can do what you love without relying solely on work to pay the bills. Now, think about this. Have you ever tried to run up a ladder? It doesn't work so well, does it? It's easy to trip or get tired quickly. That's why on the journey to financial freedom, the secret is to take it slow, step by step. And here's the best part. Every step you take feels like an incredible achievement. For beginner investors, this is even more important. Instead of trying to leap straight to the top, the key is to focus on the next step, on what you can do today to improve your relationship with money. And listen, it doesn't matter where you're starting from, whether it's from zero or you've already made some progress. What matters is knowing that you can climb, that each step is a victory, and that with patience you'll get there. The information ahead is essential for building your wealth. Powerful, solid foundation, level 1. Now imagine you're just starting to climb the ladder to financial freedom. The first step is simple, but incredibly important: building an emergency fund. Everyone faces unexpected events: a flat tire, a surprise medical bill, or even a refrigerator that decides to quit on you. Your emergency fund is there to save the day during these moments. For beginner investors, this is like laying the foundation of a house. Without it, any surprise can turn into a major headache. You don't need to set aside a huge amount all at once. Start small, saving a little each month, and soon you'll have enough to feel more secure. And if you have high-interest debts, it's a good idea to focus on paying them off first. Think of it as clearing the path before you start climbing. Up next, discover the idea that will take you to the next level. Level 2, the extraordinary idea. For beginner investors, this idea might seem out of reach, but it's absolutely possible. Here's how it works. You start saving money not just for emergencies, but to gain freedom of choice. It could be to take some time for yourself, enroll in a course, start a small business, or even travel for a few months. But here's the key. The pause is temporary. This doesn't mean you can quit your job forever, but it's empowering to know that if you ever need a breather, you can take it and start fresh without panic. So, what's something you'd love to do if you had this freedom? Maybe it's learning something new, spending more time with your family, or exploring a place you've always dreamed of visiting. This step is all about choices, and the more you plan, the closer you get to making them a reality. The next step is where the game starts to get really exciting. But first, subscribe to the channel. Let's keep building success together. Level 3, the most anticipated moment. Now we've reached a very special step on the ladder, the stage of financial comfort. Imagine this. After paying all your bills for the month, you still have money left over. Doesn't that sound amazing? It's like having extra energy after a long hike, ready to explore new paths. At this level, you're living with more peace of mind. And the best part, that extra money can be used to start investing seriously, enjoy things you love, or plan for the future. For beginner investors, this is an exciting milestone because it's here that you take your first steps toward building wealth. With the money left over, you can begin putting it into simple, low-risk investments, like expanding your savings or starting a basic investment fund. It's the beginning of making your money work for you. And thinking about this, I've put together some exclusive, tried and tested material that's already helping many beginner investors achieve their goals. The link is pinned in the comments. Now, the things are about to get even more exciting. Level 4, the big benefit. Imagine having the freedom to work part-time, take more breaks, or spend quality time with your loved ones, all without hurting your finances. For beginner investors, this means you've reached a point where your investments are generating enough returns to help cover part of your expenses. This is where the magic of compound interest starts to truly shine. The sooner you reach this stage, the more time you'll have to enjoy the rewards of your efforts. The big benefit of this level isn't just financial. It's about quality of life. You can focus more on things that genuinely bring you happiness. For instance, instead of rushing to hit work targets, you could dedicate time to learning something new or pursuing a passion. But remember, the goal is to keep investing a portion of your income to climb even higher on the ladder. After all, the more you invest, the faster you'll reach the next levels. You won't want to miss what's waiting at the next step. Level 5, choices that enrich. At this stage, you've accumulated enough to live without relying on a fixed job, but with a simpler lifestyle. Think of it as having just enough to cover your expenses, striking a balance between freedom and modesty. For beginner investors, this is the level where your planning truly starts to bear fruit. Imagine that, thanks to your investments, you can now say no to a job you dislike, move to a more affordable city, or even explore hobbies that might bring in some extra income. Many people at this level choose to lower their costs by relocating to places with a lower cost of living, like smaller towns or even another country. Others decide to keep doing small jobs they love, but now without the financial pressure. However, living a basic retirement requires careful planning and smart choices. You might have to give up some luxuries, maybe no new car or frequent travel, but in return, you gain something incredibly valuable: freedom. Reaching this point shows you just how much you're capable of achieving. It gives you the strength to keep climbing the ladder, if that's your goal. Now, it's time for the big triumph, level 6, the dream of every beginner investor. At this stage, you've accumulated enough wealth to sustain the lifestyle you enjoy without worrying about monthly bills. For beginner investors, this is where financial planning meets its reward. That dream vacation you've always wanted, or the hobby you've longed to explore but never had the time for. Here, these aren't just possibilities. They become part of your everyday life. A key aspect of this level is future planning. Your expenses might change over time, so it's wise to keep an eye on your financial plan to ensure this comfort lasts a lifetime. At this stage, you truly feel the impact of your efforts and the magic of compound interest. It's as if the money you've invested over the years is now working for you in ways you never imagined. If this sounds amazing, just wait until you discover what's at the next level. Level 7, the life every beginner investor dreams of. At this stage, the keyword is luxury, but not in the sense of excess or waste. It's about living with comfort and freedom. Imagine traveling the world without pinching every penny, staying in breathtaking places, buying things that make you happy, or even owning a second home to vacation in whenever you want. For beginner investors, this level might seem far off, but it's the result of years of planning, effort, and smart investments. Here, you're not just living well, you're enjoying total freedom. Your investments are now so solid, they sustain a lifestyle filled with meaningful experiences, not just material things. But a word of caution, even at this level, maintaining balance is essential. The goal isn't to spend recklessly, but to enjoy responsibly, ensuring that this luxurious life lasts for the rest of your days. If you thought this video was incredible, just wait until you see this one I've prepared especially for you.